What's good, fabulous followers? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Just doing a quick unboxing. Just got my paint kit for the virtual sip and paint that I'll be doing via Zoom. Right now it's tied between doing it on the 14th, actual Valentine's Day, or the 16th. So please go and vote. Because if it stay tied, I don't know. I might have to pick on my own or try to do both days. So I was gonna get one of the Aaliyah's, but I decided to do the male and female. So if I do 2 nights, I'll do one night and one the other night, or I'll try to do both the same night if we do one night. But it will again be via Zoom. The link will be given to people who RSVP. The information about RSVPing will be available on the flyer. Now they're gonna give me, oh, okay. So each one came with its own thingies, the paint, and 3 brushes. And even though these are, so these are 8 by 10. And the 8 by 10, 2 for the 8 by 10 was, I think, $20. Of course, I had a coupon because I'm always on Amazon. So if it were a couple, I would have her do the woman and I do the man, or she could do me and I could do her. But since it's just me, I may do both of them. And here is the guide they give you to go off of, or I could make my own colors. I was thinking about making her stuff in purple, but I did purple with my last woman. So I'll stick to what they have. That green backdrop almost gives me Christmas. But anyway, we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm so excited. Right now it looks like we might have a good turnout. You know, everybody can't make it. My god sister's on the road right now, one of the main people I would want to be there. But, you know, money calls. So, that is my unboxing of my kits for the sip and paint. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend and tell a friend. Namaste.
Yo, my boy. I'm in the line, bro. You hit me back, man. What's going on with you, man? Shit, out the way. I feel you. Fuck with me, don't link, hit me on the book or something.